In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can use Deepseek. Yes, this AI tool that is replacing ChatGPT in order to earn money online. We're going to be creating something that people are looking to buy every single day. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, we're going to be using Deepseek because of the way it actually thinks in order to help us. Well, Deepseek is actually going to help us create something that people are looking to buy every single day. This strategy is beginner friendly. The most important thing here is that you need to watch the entire video and you need to be consistent with the implementation. Okay. So I'm going to show you the strategy, everything step by step, all the tools that you need besides DeepSeek and how you can monetize this. Let me share with you my screen because I want to make sure that we are actually going to be on the same page. I'm going to be sharing with you all the prompts and everything that you need here really fast. Okay. So as I mentioned before, we're going to be using DeepSeek and this is a copy and paste strategy. So everybody can follow. I'm going to show you all the prompts that I'm using because I want to make sure that you're going to get the best results ever. Remember, you need to watch the entire video in order, uh, you know, to get the best results. Okay. First of all, we are going to go to DeepSeek. You can go to deepseek.com and you can create a free account. Yes, it's 100% free. I know ChatGPT has like a premium version, but with DeepSeek, at the time recording this video, everything is 100% free. Okay. So you just need to create your account on this model and that's it. Okay. So DeepSeek looks super similar as ChatGPT. Okay. If this is actually the very first time you're in, it's going to be looking something like this. Hi, I'm Deepseek. What I'm looking for. Okay. There is a couple of things that you're going to see that might not be on ChatGPT. Okay. This one is the deep thinking or deep think and the search. Okay. As you notice, I have this tick. Why I have this tick? Because it's going to be using DeepSeek R1 to solve reasoning problems. I want DeepSeek to be thinking, okay, use the most of the AI in order to solve it. This other one is used when we want to do when we want DeepSeek to use the internet in order to search or do some searches whenever it's necessary. I'm not going to be using it on this video. I'm just going to go with the deep think. Okay. So please make sure that you have it checked. Okay. I already did this because I want to make sure that this video is not going to be taking forever. Okay. And this is the very first prompt that I use. Okay. You can pause the video here. Okay. The very first one is please analyze the current online market trends and provide me with a list of profitable niches for creating an ebook. Okay, for each niche, include a brief description of the potential benefits and why it might be on demand. Okay, we're going to be using DeepSeek to create an ebook, and I'm going to show you different ways on how you can actually monetize it. Okay, chances are that if you already watched my videos before, you already know that the most profitable niches are health, wealth, and relationships. But as you notice here, I'm asking DeepSeek to provide me with a list of profitable niches based on the market trends. Okay. I want something that is hot right now, something that I can monetize as fast as possible. So DeepSeek make the analysis. Here you're going to see that it took 41 seconds to make the analysis. Here is the analysis. Okay. We need to make sure that the existing knowledge is up to 2023. Okay. It looks on Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and social media platforms. Okay. Here's the analysis. Okay. And here you see that it gave me 50 profitable ebook niches. Okay. Here we have the AI-powered productivity tools. It gave me the description like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Jasper for business automation, content creation. Okay, the benefits, the demand. It's, of course, it's rising. Everybody is talking about AI nowadays. Here we have other topics, financial, health. As you can see here, I have mental health, uh, wealth, which is the home. Oh no, this is health, home workout without equipment, mindful parenting and digital age, pet care, pet. It's actually really good. Okay, here we have wealth because with this budget travel hackings. Okay, so you're gonna notice that they gave me the niche, some examples, and everything that I told him. Okay, so now we're gonna go with the second prompt. Okay, you're gonna choose one niche. Mm, my suggestion is go with something that you have some kind of knowledge. Of course, we're gonna be using Deepseek to help us build the ebook. It's better if you have some kind of knowledge just in case that you need to add or delete certain things. At least you know what you're talking about. Okay. So now we have the second prompt, which is given the niche, we're going to copy and paste the niche here. Please suggest a list of in-demand ebook topics. For each topic, include a short explanation of why it is popular and how it could address customer needs. Okay. So here I copy already my niche here. Okay. It took 29 seconds to do the thinking. And here here's the list of the in-demand ebook topics. In my case, for urban container gardening. Okay. For example, here we have the small space, big harvest, maximizing yield in urban container gardenings. Okay. Why is actually popular? Which are the customer needs? Okay. Balcony to table. This is actually really, really good. Okay. I actually chose this one, the urban gardening without a yard. Okay. This is actually great because we can do indoor plants, vertical gardening. Okay. So here are the ideas. Okay. The key concepts, why it's actually on demand and all this stuff. So now I chose one. I already told you. So I use this prompt. Okay. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell. Remember that I'm updating my channel pretty consistently. And if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Okay. So now I asked Deepseek, like based on the ebook topic, I'm going to put the topic here. I already told you. Please create a detailed outline for an ebook. The outline should include chapter titles and bullet points for the key points or sections that need to be covered. This is the reason why we need to know at least what we're talking about. In my case, it's going to be urban gardening without yard. Okay, the one that I already explained. Because it's giving me, the part of the content that we're going to be covering. Okay. Here we have the title. Here we have the subtitle, the introduction, some key points here. But if you don't know what you're talking about, there is no way you can correct this. Okay. And you don't need to be like a guru, but at least you need to have some ideas of what you are talking about. Okay. So it gave me the conclusion, the appendix, some bonuses, which is actually great. I can actually develop this on other ebooks if I want. And for that, we're going to be using these last prompt. Okay, it's going to be using the outline provided. Please write the content of the ebook chapter by chapter. Please complete one chapter at a time. Once complete, I will tell you to continue to the next chapter until the entire book has been written. Okay, below is the outline. So literally you're going to copy and paste here. Okay, you are going to copy and paste the outline. If you need to make some corrections, you can use Google Docs to do some some corrections, and then you can put the outline, or if you want to add some things to the outline as well, you can do so. Okay, and Deepseek is gonna start writing everything that you need. Okay, so um, I'm not gonna do that because if not, this video is gonna be like super big, and I want you guys, to have the strategy and understand the strategy. Okay, so now we will need to do a layout. Okay, and we will need to have an ebook cover. Okay, there are different ways in which you can accomplish this. I am actually gonna, to share with you some of them. The very first one, it's with Canva. You can go to canva.com and you can do the search here on ebook, and you can have different layouts. Okay, different layouts that you can choose from, and you're literally gonna replace your ebook, with the topic here. Also, Canva has a tool in which you give them the description of what you have in mind, and Canva, it's going to be doing, the image. Okay. But you need to do the layout. One cool thing that I really like about Canva is the fact that it gives me the images, elements, even pages. Okay. For example, this one had 4 pages. So choose one that you really like and take your time to do the modifications. Okay. So take your time to do the modification. Uh, Another way in which you can do the cover, it's with this tool, which is called Ideogram. You can go to Ideogram AI, and you are going to notice that literally you're going to put the description of what you want, and the tool, it's going to be doing the cover for you. Okay. The layout, you can do it on Canvas, as mentioned before. You can also do it on Google Doc. Okay. That's another way. And also you can go to Fiverr and you can do a quick search on Fiverr. For example, here I have this one. I'm not 100% sure what is showing blank, but okay, here is it. Okay, here you have someone who create and format the ebook for you, who do the cover and all this stuff. Okay, so that's another way in which you can definitely do this is by hiring someone, and there are different prices, on Fiverr. Okay, there are different prices, and you are gonna have the opportunity there. Now, how you can actually monetize this, how you can sell this. Okay, there are different websites. For example, I'm pretty sure that by now you already know that you can go to etsy.com, and you can upload your ebook there. You can also sell um your book in your own store. I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can create a free account on System.io, and you can take advantage of all the tools that you can use with System.io, including the fact that you can sell products. Okay, you can sell your own products. You can actively build funnels, do email marketing. Okay, so this is another way in which you can actually sell your own ebook with System.io. Okay, I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can open a free account. You can also sell this on Kobo, Kobo.com. Here on Kobo, you're going to be a sales publisher. Okay, so you don't need someone to approve your book and all this stuff. You can upload it here, and you can start doing the sales here. Also, you can go to Kindle. This is on Amazon, and you can also upload the content to Kindle as well. So I hope you guys find this content helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Again, if you want to learn what's my #1 recommendation to make money online, check the very first in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys in the next video.